Gold against US dollar. We can see how the prices behaved this week. The price has formed this bearish engulfing candle in the previous week on Friday, so it was expected the price will continue to fall down. On the daily time frame, we can see that the price has returned all the way back up above this resistance level at 2329.13, which was indication that there is a possibility that the price has invalidated this bearish candle, and it was expected that the price will rise in value. But the next day the candle formed again bearish candle, which is a bearish engulfing candle, which has closed just below these two candles open and close, and it was indication for the further decline down, and it has reached that target. The price has gone all the way to 2299.00, a support level, and from there the price has bounced back up, reaching here again this resistance level. And we can see on the Friday the price had problems because this saw confluence of resistance to reach again high price levels, but we can see the price tried to move higher, but it was not possible, and the price has closed here the day just below this support level, this resistance level. The weekly time frame shows us currently a bullish candle, but with a large wick on the lower side and on the smaller wick on the upper side. It is indecision, some kind of a candle where the price could not make a bullish or bearish breakout on these levels. Monthly time frame has just closed, and we can see this is simple indecision candle with a large wicks on the upper side and the lower side. We can see that the price is bouncing between these two price levels whole month. Now, what this shows us currently, this is usually indication for the further rise in value, because the price was rising in value. So this is also some kind of indication that there is a higher chance, for me what I can see, for the further rise in value, and that is to the next resistance level 2390. What will happen, it is mandatory to see on the lower time frames, and that is the best to see on the weekly and the daily. Now, in order to continue to rise to 2390 resistance level, the price needs to make a clean breakout on the weekly time frame just above 2329. If the price makes that bullish breakout, the next resistance, a smaller one, where the price will reach this around this one 2350, and then here around 2360. The daily time frame shows us much more clearly information. It is around 2350, which I said this is the start of this supply zone where the sellers are waiting. But very important is to see the price making a bullish breakout outside of this confluence of resistance, and we can see it is downtrend channel. So it will be a significant, important, bullish breakout if that happens. After that, we can see 2360 is the next level that needs to be broken, and we can see this is the upper side of this supply zone. So if the price managed to go above 2360, it will be indication of the bullish breakout, like in this example, that could potentially move the price even higher, and that is around this area 2390, which is the target on the monthly time frame I have just shown, and which is currently showing me that the price could move. If this bullish momentum doesn't create this bullish breakout, the next, what could the price do, is going down, making a bearish breakout to go to 2247.78, which is less likely, but it is possible. What will happen? We will see on the daily time frame, where I show this on the daily basis with the traders inside the Telegram group. The Telegram group link will be below in the description. This is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.